Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud dog parent like me, you know how important it is to feed your pup the best. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dog foods on Amazon right now based on popularity, customer reviews, and nutritional value. Let's jump right into the list, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below for current prices and more details. Start at number 1, Purina One Chicken. Purina One chicken and rice dog food is easily digestible with a microbiome balance and a smart blend of high-quality ingredients, including prebiotic fiber for dogs. With real chicken as the first ingredient, the high-quality dog food chicken and rice recipe supports strong muscles, including a healthy heart, and has high-quality carbohydrate sources for energy. This high-protein dry dog food for skin and coat care contains omega-6 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, plus 4 antioxidant sources for a healthy immune system. Is Purina One good for dogs? Purina Red Bag dog food provides 100% complete and balanced nutrition for adult dogs and features natural glucosamine sources to promote joint health for dogs. Is Purina One made in the USA? This digestive care dog food with glucosamine for dogs blends crunchy bites and tender, meaty morsels for extra yum and is crafted in Purina-owned U.S. facilities. Number at 2, Pedigree Dry Food, great tasting, Pedigree Complete Nutrition, adult dry dog food, grilled steak and vegetable flavor, is a great tasting dry dog food recipe with whole grains, protein, and accents of vegetables. Quality nutrition. This dry dog food recipe is made with 36 vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to support your dog's health and vitality. Supports healthy skin and coat. This dry dog food recipe is enriched with omega-6 fatty acid and zinc to help nourish a healthy skin and coat. Complete and balanced. Pedigree Complete Nutrition adult dry dog food, grilled steak and vegetable flavor is 100% complete and balanced food for adult dogs, bringing a nutritious meal to your pet. Best number at 3, Beneful, Purina Beneful Small Breed Wet Food Dog Gravy Variety Pack. Incredibites with real beef, chicken, and salmon is made with real beef, chicken, and salmon, and real vegetables and grains you can see. This high-protein wet dog food supports strong muscles. Incredibites for small dogs contains 23 essential vitamins and minerals to support overall health. This adult dog food is specially made for small dogs in 3 ounces. Cans Beneful Incredibites for small dogs is proudly produced in Purina-owned U.S. facilities. Next number, at 4, IAM's Proactive, complete and balanced for adult dogs. 100% complete and balanced adult dog food, 0% fillers. IAM's Proactive Health Mini Chunk supports vibrant whole body health with essential nutrients and is enriched with antioxidants to support a strong immune system. Supports healthy digestion. Made with a tailored blend of natural fiber and prebiotics, this dry dog kibble supports healthy digestion. Provides whole body health, formulated to support whole body health, including 7 essential nutrients to help support a healthy heart, supports immune health. This delicious recipe is enriched with antioxidants to help maintain a strong immune system. Helping keep pets healthy for life. With a portfolio of wet and dry food for puppies, adult dogs, and senior dogs, the IAM's brand provides tailored nutrition for every pet's unique needs at every stage of life. Number at 5, Blue Buffalo, high-quality natural food. Blue's natural dry dog food is made with premium ingredients and contains no chicken or poultry byproducts, corn, wheat, or soy. The perfect balance of flavor and nutrition, formulated with essential proteins and carbs for energy needs, and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids to promote healthy skin and coat, contains immunity-boosting LifeSource Bits. LifeSource Bits contain a precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to support immune system health, life stage needs, and a healthy oxidative balance. Contains 1 15-pound bag of Blue Life Protection Formula natural chicken and brown rice flavor enhanced imagery. We have enhanced our digital product packaging to highlight our product's ingredients and essential benefits. While the physical packaging will differ slightly, all information is accurate. That wraps up our first pick in the top 5 dog foods on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that description bell icon so you don't miss the rest of the countdown. Which dog food do you use? Let us know in the comments below.